So 455 840. 455 828 London Bridge service.
Battersea Park. The train now standing at platform 3 is the
455 828 off to London Bridge. In comes a fast service 377. 377 327 at the front. What's a 3 car, that one? 377 126, which is a 4 car. And 377 148, which is another 4 car. Off to East Grimsall, wherever that is. Epsom service 455 835. Four 555 815, probably from Epsom. And here we have 377 831. No, 813. Oh, 377 317. Yeah, that's like I said. Gatwick Express service 442 419. I think they're modified Mark IV coaches, they are. If you know what they are. Off to London Victoria. Four 456 012 London Victoria. 455 let's have a look. 455 813. Another Gatwick Express 442 405. Off to Gatwick Airport. 455 844. 377 411. At the front and the back. 377 104. Portsmouth Harbour 377 130 London Victoria. Looks like it's stopping here. Oh, and forgot, didn't catch that, guys. I'll get it on the way out. London Victoria service. The back unit is 377 or 417, and coming in now we have 455 830. Office goes to Sutton. 455 830. 377 127. Brighton 377 105. Off to Brighton 377 202. London. So, oh, it's not in service. Another Southern service. The last one left 2 minutes ago. 455 815.
Battersea Park. The train now standing at platform 3 is the 1310 Southern service to Sutton. The train at platform 3. This train is ready to leave.
Sorry about my finger there, guys. 455 815. Off to Sutton. 456. 456, I've just noticed. Yep, there goes 456, 001 and 002. Off to Victoria. We do this and then it'll come, right? 455 813. My train to Clapham Junction.
Battersea Park. This is Battersea Park.
450 095 Alton. Oh, and the back. On the back, 450 096. 442 404. 442 424. Gatwick Express services to London Victoria. Off to London Victoria. Ran to catch this one on camera. 455s. These are 455s. These are. Don't know the running numbers though. Sorry guys. If I go, oh, and there's another one. Actually, at the back, it's 455. So, well, maybe I don't. Yeah. And over there is my mother. 377 468 London Victoria. At the front that was. At the back 377 412. I can't seem to get the numbers right this past few times. And there's one there, I'll have to get that one in a minute. 377 438. Southampton Central, the first 4 coaches, these ones here. And the rear 4 are apparently going to Bognor Regis. The rear ones are 377 471. And there we have at the front 377 436. Off to Horsham, by the way, these are. And at the back 377 407. 2445 Sophistry. Platform. I don't even know what platform. 444010. London Waterloo. Over here, coming in, I think is, oh, there it is. That's, yep, can you see that? London Victoria. 455 845. Oh my god. And we have the Guildford service. This one is 5714. And over there we have 455 820 doing the Sutton service. Taking videos. 5713. 5711. Sorry about my finger there, guys. So 5714. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. And 5918. Brighton service. 37743. No, 473 at the front. And at the back we have 377132. And there we have 444027, London Waterloo. Sorry about this delay, guys, I was trying to eat my sweets. 377 460. And here comes another one. Some 455s. Oh, and there's a 455 over there, a southern one. 455 818, I think that says. $5731 at the front. I was right. 455 818 off to Sutton. And over here we have 5915 at the front. And at the back we have 5717. They're probably off to London Waterloo. And this one is about to leave. So this one at the front is 5731, I believe. And at the back, 5709. Off they go to Guildford, I think. 5727 to Guildford via Epsom. And at the back, 5906. 377158. This part, the first part is going to Orr, I believe. Yeah. In the back, Littlehampton. And at the back it is 377456. I do believe. Yes. 377 434 at the front.
Between the train and the platform. Mind the gap.
Aha, here's one. 377122 London Victoria. 377446. Oh my god, there's another one coming.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 13. The approaching train.
377463. I think this is out of service. Oh no, it is in service. 377447. And the London Victoria service. 455808, I think. 377144 and 456012 London Bridge. That one's going, and that one is going to East Grinstead or something. Here comes my Gatwick Express, London Victoria. 442. What is it? 442041. Yes, I got one. 377144. Oh god. 377452. It's going to London Bridge. 377142. No, 124. I really am quite crap at my running numbers so far, aren't I? I do apologise. Oh, and here goes the 456. 456 012. 455 845. Oh. 377 475 at the front and at the back.
Stand well away from the edge of platform 14. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop.
And 377
Stand well away from the edge of platform 14. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
455 845. 456 023, not in service. 456 020. 456 008. 455 807. Off to, I reckon they're off to London Victoria to become in service. If that makes sense. It did in my mind. Here comes the Gatwick Express service. Gatwick Airport. 442, 423, I believe. Yep. Off to Gatwick Airport. 377 412. Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. Three 460
for the 1408 Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. Calling at East Croydon, Red Hill, Crawley, Gatwick Airport, Three Bridges, Crawley and Horsham, where the train will arrive.
Sorry, a bit delay. 442 424 at the front. And 442 404. Sorry that was so delayed, guys. I've only just seen it. Victoria service, Southern. Four 455 840 at the front. Oh my god, look at this side. Look at the difference in platform. Oh, there's a proper drop. The back one is 455 819 at the back. Off to London Victoria, stopping at London Victoria only, I think. I could be wrong though, because I normally am. 377 458 London Victoria. Oh shit. Sorry, excuse my language. Oh, I just didn't see this one coming in. 455 807. Oh, I know these ones. We saw these ones a minute ago. The next one's 456 008 and 456 020. Oh, lol. Off they go to London Bridge. 455 830. This is off to London Victoria, either from Sutton or London Bridge. And these ones are going off to London Bridge. It's 377 446. Where's this one go? Oh, and 377 122. East Grimsby or something. No idea how to pronounce it or where it is. Oh, I missed that Gatwick. I'm upset now. 455 803 to Epsom. Oh, I can't believe I missed that. A stupid southern service to East Grimsby or something. Gone the way. Oh, it doesn't matter. It'll probably come back and then I'll get it. Epsom Downs. 455 828 London Victoria. 455 828 off to London Victoria. Sorry about that, guys, that made me jump. My Gatwick Express, 442 401. Off to Gatwick Airport, 377 449 Horsham. Go. Get out of the way, I've got Milton Keynes train about to leave, I want to get it on camera. Without the pantograph. Oh no, it's not leaving. I'll do a point. 377 112. This is the Milton Keynes Central and Bognor Regis. 377 205. Milton Keynes train, been there for ages. Been there for like 5 minutes now. God. Southampton Central and Bognor Regis. 377 214. Off to Milton Keynes Central. And it has a pantograph. That's only why I wanted to video it. Don't know if you can tell that. Yeah, just about. Milton Keynes Central from South Croydon, I believe. 377 441 to Sutton. Oh, it's an 8 car, oh my god. You wouldn't really expect a Sutton service. I'll tell you the running number of that one when it leave. 455 821. Off to London Victoria. And this back 377 of this Sutton service is 377 452. 377 467 off to Brighton. And 377 475. Both off to Brighton. Gatwick 442 419 455 844 445 844. The only reason I wanted to come to here was because of the Gatwick Express. Brilliant. Oh god. There. 455 819 off to Sutton. Oh my god. Another one. This one is 455 840. Yes, I do believe we did see these two earlier. I could be mistaken though. I normally am. Tell me below in the comments if it is in this. If I've seen this one earlier. 455 819 and 455 840 off to Sutton. Don't half look weird the front those ends, the 455s. Or the Southampton, or the Southern ones anyway. It's windy today. 455 815 I believe. 455 815. Comment in the below if we saw this one earlier. I think we did. Look at the gap. Like, seriously, look at the gap between those. Between the bed and the actual platform. Ridiculous. Off it goes to London Victoria. Southern service to London Victoria. 455 835. I think the next stop's Battersea Park for this one, I'm not too sure. Yes it is, it just said. Oh, on the board. 455 830. Comment down below if you saw this one earlier. 206, I think. 377 106 to or and Littlehampton. Sorry about the shakiness there, guys, by the way. I was trying to catch this one on camera. 377 414.
For the 4053 Southern service to Orr and Littlehampton.
455 828. Coming in to Epsom. And 455 834 to London Victoria. Or as I like to say, London Victoria. Just to take out the mick out of some people that say that. Sorry if I'm taking the mick. I was hoping this was a Gatwick, but it's not. 377 150. Broken my finger, guys. 456 006. Making it under a safer place. 455 820. 377 458 to East Grimstead. I think that's how it's pronounced anyway. After this is my train home to Portsmouth. And that'll be it for the day. 442 402. Sorry the delay there, guys. Phone wasn't working. Not the train I expected it to be. 377 303. Thought it'd be a Gatwick service. This one is. Sorry about that, guys. 442. My train home. 377 424 at the front. We're there. And 377 448.